Welcome to Western STEM Academy. Today we're going to be talking about how artificial intelligence, otherwise called AI, is changing the world. This video is perfect for kids and teens and anybody who is interested in learning more about artificial intelligence and its effect and impact on the world. Before we start, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video and share, and we're very excited to share with you. And if you have any comments, go ahead. Have you ever worked with AI? Have you ever had any AI experience? Have you ever used any AI tool? Go ahead and comment below. Do you even know any AI tool? Right? They are all around us. I'm sure you've heard of some, you've been using some yourself, but I want you to go ahead and comment and let us know. So, of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, I'm going to give you like a second to go ahead and do that now. All right. Now, what if I told you that computers can now think, learn, and even create like humans? That's right. That isn't a sci-fi movie. It sounds like it's from a movie, but no, it's actually artificial intelligence or AI, and it's everywhere. We can't get away from it. Now, fun fact, if AI were a student, it would be the one that does its homework and yours, but sometimes gets your name wrong. Yes, AI is very good, but there are some things that it's still learning, so it's not that it's perfect and it knows everything. It's trainable, it's machine learning. So we're going to be exploring more on that. Now, what is AI? A simple definition. AI is computer brain power. It's a kind of computer technology that can learn from experience and make decisions almost like a human brain. Not fully, but almost. No, beyond following rules. Instead of just following rules, AI can actually figure things out. It's like the difference between a calculator which follows rules and your smart friend who solves the puzzles. They will learn patterns, and that's how AI really work. It's all about learned patterns. Learning from data. Example, Siri, I'm sure you've heard of Siri, Alexa, and ChatGPT. There, and of course, Alexa is now answering me. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. That's the AI there working, right? And they learn from patterns in data. Now, a little joke, why did the AI go to school? And the answer, because it wanted to get a higher data grade. It's kind of funny. No, AI in everyday life. You're already using AI every day without realizing it. Voice assistant. I'm afraid to say it again, but Alexa, Google Assistant, right? So you can say, Alexa, play your favorite song, etc. And I hope it doesn't start playing any song right now. They understand you even when you talk with your mouth full of pizza. Gaming, you have enemies that get smarter the more you play. All right. You have YouTube and TikTok. AI decides what video pops up next. And how it knows you want to watch 50 cat videos in a row is still a mystery. Well, not really a mystery. It's really based on its algorithm and learning you, right? Google Maps, it finds the fastest route instantly so that you never get lost on the way to your ice cream shop, hopefully again. Well, of course, it's not always accurate, but it's trained, it's learned, and it does its best to ensure that we have some accuracy and we have some assistance in those areas. So, some cool AI superpowers. We have our chatbots like ChatGPT that can write stories, explain homework, and even help create games. Silly example, ChatGPT, you can tell it to write a poem about a unicorn who hates rainbows but loves tacos, and it actually can. We should definitely try that and see what the prompt would be or what the results would be from that prompt. We have number two, or robot doctors. AI helps doctors spot diseases early. These AI doctors never tell you to turn your head and cough. That's still like a human's doctor job, right? Now we have our self-driving cars. I'm sure a lot of us have heard about those cars that basically see the road and drive themselves. Would you drive in a self-driving car? Imagine doing your homework while your car takes you to school. No more of the dog ate my homework excuses, which a lot of students tend to want to use. Don't know if you're using that anymore, but from back in my day, we have our AI artists, programs that create original music, art, or even entire cartoons. We have AI that draws in terms of drawing cat videos or drawing a cat with eight legs if you ask it to. right? Let's see how many art teachers could actually do that. Now, the amazing future with AI. For super science, AI will help scientists to find cures faster to various diseases, maybe even cure for broccoli taste for those students who don't want, or children who don't want to eat their vegetables. Personal tutors. Students might have AI tutors that explain concept perfectly for their learning style. Imagine a tutor that never gets tired of explaining fractions for the 100th time. So with AI, you have it at your fingertips and you can have it being repetitive. For space exploration, we have smart robots exploring planets. That's the future of AI that we're looking at. AI robots on Mars might finally answer if Martians prefer chocolate or vanilla ice cream. But wait, of course, AI has limits. For pattern follower, AI is smart, but it doesn't think like humans. It follows patterns. It makes mistakes. It can actually make mistakes because, you know, it's not perfect. It's still learning. No real feelings. It doesn't have feelings or creativity like us as yet, right? It doesn't get excited about the things that we would get excited for, unless, of course, it's trained, right? So that's why we still need human ideas, ethics, and creativity. Now, can AI replace teachers? This is something that I'd love to hear your opinion on. Do you believe that AI can replace teachers? Comment below. Let me know. Now, there are several careers that are in AI, right? These are booming careers, jobs that actually might exist when we grow up, when you grow up. AI engineers, they build smart programs, right? So they'll be the person who makes robots that can do things like do your chores, right? And we're actually seeing some evolution with that, with robots, smart robots that are doing things in the home. We're looking at data scientists who will figure out patterns in massive data sets, like finding out why everyone suddenly like pineapples on pizza, right? And game developers using AI to create a realistic game world or create realistic game worlds, right? Create games where the characters remember that one embarrassing thing you did. And we have AI ethics specialists who will make sure that the AI is used fairly, and the person who makes sure the AI doesn't give all the ice cream to just one kid. So there's fairness in this AI game, right? So that is why we teach STEM at Western STEM Academy, to prepare you for the jobs that don't exist yet. How can you start learning AI now? One, you can try Scratch or Tinker for coding basics. It's like a Lego, but for making computers do cool stuff. We have Google Teachable Machine where you train your own AI. So you teach a computer to recognize your I want pizza for dinner face. So basically different face and what it means. And of course, WSA STEM programs where you can get future ready, right? All right, now, final thought and call to action. AI isn't here to take over the world, it's here to help us create a better one. Learn it, use it, and shape the future. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome STEM topics, right? And remember that even the smartest AI can't replace your unique human brain, although it might help you with your math homework, right? So AI jokes, why did the AI go to art school? Because it wanted to learn how to draw conclusions. What do you call an AI that sings? Artificial harmonies. And how many AI assistants does it take to change a light bulb? None. They just redefine darkness as the preferred user experience. A few AI safety tips for kids. Always ask a grown up before using new AI tools or apps, and check with your parents or teachers. Do not share your personal info. AI doesn't need to know your address, your phone number, or what's in your lunchbox. Double check your AI answers. AI will make mistakes, so you'll always verify important information with trusted sources. Be kind, even to robots, so you practice good digital citizenship. How you interact with the AI will help to shape how you treat people too. So if something an AI says makes you uncomfortable or confused, please tell a trusted adult right away. Right? So AI scavenger hunt. I want you to find these AI examples in your everyday life. Find a recommendation system. Spot a voice assistant in action. We spoke about some earlier. Can be at home or in a friend's house. Find a smart feature on your phone camera, like portrait mode or night sight. Discover an AI powered game. So I want you to look for games where characters learn from your actions and spot a chatbot on a website. So I want you to go ahead and see how many of these you can find in our AI scavenger hunt. Now, this is the end of another video. If you enjoyed, definitely like, comment, and share. We made this one just for children to learn more about AI for children. So definitely go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. We're very excited to talk with you more.